Hey everyone, so today we'll be making golden shrimp balls from Genshin Impact. It's a relatively simple recipe since it only needs 3 ingredients, which are potatoes, shrimp, and flour. So once you've gathered those, just throw them into the pot and...
joke already. You're not funny.
Fine, let's just get straight to the real recipe then. Alright, first grab a potato and cut off one end so that we can use it with a spiralizer. If your potato is small enough, you don't have to cut it, but it'll probably help to start cutting. Stick your potato onto the spiralizer and start rotating it, going until you've cut the whole potato. Repeat for all of your potatoes and place them in cold water for about half an hour. In the meantime, we'll prepare the flour coating. In a bowl, dump your flour, paprika, garlic powder, salt, and pepper, and mix well. Next, grab your shrimps and pat dry them. Cut about halfway through the shrimp in 1 centimeter intervals on the inside of its curvature, and this will help to straighten out the shrimp. Do this for all of your shrimps. After about an hour has passed, we can start putting everything together. Carefully sift through the potato kernels until you found a decently long one, and pat it dry and toss it in the flour mixture, making sure to coat the entire potato kernel. Next, grab a shrimp and start wrapping it with the potato. Try to follow its curvature, as this will help with the process. If you accidentally snap the potato, you can just start where you left off. Once you've covered the shrimp enough, you can actually start rotating the whole thing to wind the potato around the shrimp. Once you've gotten through it all, you can tuck the end of the curl onto itself to secure it and set it aside. Repeat for all of your shrimp. Now, heat up oil in a pot to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. A thermometer would be handy. Once it's hot enough, place your shrimp balls into the oil and cook for about 4 to 5 minutes, flipping halfway through if there's not enough oil to cover everything. Afterwards, drain and set aside for about a minute to cool. Arrange them nicely on the plate, and in the middle I decided to use a sriracha mayo sauce. And there you go, golden shrimp balls.